This is FinSight Daily, breaking down crypto and macroeconomic news so you can stay one step ahead. Hello and welcome back to FinSight Daily. Today is April 3rd, 2025, and we are witnessing significant volatility across both the cryptocurrency and traditional financial markets. Here are the top 5 stories we are covering in this episode. President Donald Trump imposes sweeping import tariffs, shaking global trade. Bitcoin drops below 84,000 United States dollars. What comes next? The Federal Reserve remains silent. Markets adjust rate cut expectations. The Nasdaq bounces back late in the session. Is it a real recovery? Tether mints 1 billion new USDT. Are whales preparing for a big move? Let us dive deeper into each of these stories. President Trump imposes sweeping import tariffs. President Donald Trump has officially announced a universal 10% tariff on all imported goods. Additionally, targeted tariffs include 54% on Chinese imports, 20% on goods from the European Union, 24% on Japan, and 25% on South Korea. The announcement was made during his so-called Liberation Day address and is aimed at boosting domestic production. Our analysis: this is a major shift in trade policy that could trigger global retaliation, increase consumer prices, and pressure inflation in the United States. Although markets dropped initially, they partially recovered by the end of the day. The outlook remains uncertain. Bitcoin drops below $84,000. Bitcoin has fallen to 83,724 United States dollars, marking a loss of over 1.5% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum also declined by over 3%. Other major altcoins such as Solana and Cardano are following the same downward trend. Our analysis: this price action reflects a clear shift to risk-off sentiment. Bitcoin is testing its support near 82,000 United States dollars. If that level fails, we may see deeper corrections across the entire crypto market. Many traders are moving into stablecoins or waiting on the sidelines. The Federal Reserve remains silent. Despite the market turbulence caused by new tariffs, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has not yet issued any statements. Market participants are adjusting their expectations. The probability of a rate cut in July has now dropped from 71% to 58%, according to CME FedWatch data. Our analysis: the Federal Reserve now faces a difficult dilemma. Tariff-induced inflation could delay rate cuts, while slowing economic growth demands caution. The path forward for monetary policy is more complex than ever. Nasdaq rebounds, led by big tech. The Nasdaq Composite Index closed up 0.9%, with strong performance from technology giants including Apple, Nvidia, and Tesla. The S&P 500 rose 0.7%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.6%. Our analysis: this late-day rebound was likely driven by institutional dip buying rather than renewed optimism. Volatility remains high and investors should be cautious. Without clear direction from the Federal Reserve, any rally could be short-lived. Tether mints 1 billion USDT on Tron blockchain. Stablecoin issuer Tether has minted 1 billion United States dollar Tether USDT tokens on the Tron network. The company described the action as inventory replenishment, but on-chain analysts are closely watching for potential large-scale movements. Our analysis: historically, large USDT issuances have preceded major market volatility. This could indicate preparations for significant trading activity by whales or exchanges. Investors should monitor on-chain flows carefully in the coming days. The markets are entering a highly sensitive and uncertain phase. Trade tensions are rising, crypto markets are under pressure, and monetary policy remains unclear. Stay cautious, stay diversified, and stay informed. If you found this update valuable, please like this video, subscribe to FinSight Daily, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important story. Goodbye, see you again.